Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at Stockpile.com, a platform that offers a unique and simplified approach to investing in the stock market. Essentially, Stockpile makes it possible to buy and gift fractional shares of stock, making investing accessible even with smaller budgets. This is particularly appealing for beginners or those looking to give the gift of investment, perhaps to a younger family member. Stockpile allows you to purchase fractions of shares, meaning you don't have to shell out hundreds or even thousands of dollars to own a piece of a company like Apple or Tesla. You can invest smaller amounts, aligning your investment strategy with your financial capabilities. This fractional share ownership opens up a world of investment possibilities that might have previously seemed out of reach due to the high price of individual shares. The gift-giving aspect of Stockpile is also worth noting. Imagine giving a child or grandchild the gift of stock instead of a traditional toy or gadget. It's an educational and potentially valuable present that can introduce them to the world of finance and investing at an early age. Stockpile streamlines this process, making it simple to purchase and transfer stock gifts. They've really simplified what can sometimes be a complex process, especially for newcomers. While Stockpile offers a convenient entry point into investing, it's crucial to remember that all investments carry risk. The value of stocks can fluctuate, and there's no guarantee of profit. It's important to conduct your own research and understand the potential downsides before making any investment decisions. Don't rely solely on this overview for financial advice, it's simply my personal experience with the platform. Overall, Stockpile provides an interesting and accessible way to start investing or to introduce someone else to the market. The fractional share system and gifting options are standout features. However, like any investment platform, it's important to understand the risks involved and to do your homework before committing any funds. Check out the link in the description below to explore Stockpile further and see if it's the right fit for you.